First up in this corner, they will be providing a new pump station and a new headworks structure. This is a headwork structure. The pump station is just above that. Abandoning the existing pump station building over here. It'll increase the ability to take materials out of the wastewater at the very front of the plant, which further protects the facilities downstream and also reduces your operation and maintenance costs on those facilities. Currently, all the wastewater treatment, the biological wastewater treatment, takes place in this basin right here. That will be taken out of service as an aeration basin and replaced with this larger basin. You can see it's significantly larger, not so much from the standpoint of capacity, but from the standpoint of there's more capacity, there's more volume needed in order to reduce the nitrogen and phosphorus, the nutrients that have been levied on the city, related to both your reuse and also your discharge to the stream. The clarifiers over in this vicinity will be taken out of service and replaced with two new clarifiers. This will be a splitter box and a re-aeration zone after this biological treatment. These two trickling filters are existing. They will be taken out, demolished as part of this project. As we kind of walk across the site, this is your existing DAF building right here. Filters are located in this building. Your existing filters. This building will be converted. The DAF unit will be taken out and salvaged, and this space will house the new administrative offices, the laboratory, a small conference room, training room at the wastewater plant, and also there'll be some equipment, chemical equipment that'll be used in the treatment process located on the south end of this. There'll be a new parking lot established out here, and this will really be the central location for visitors to the site to come in and deliveries of materials and equipment, as well as any visitors to the site that might want to visit the facility will come into this location instead of up here where the current laboratory building and operator building is located. This building will then be, the filters will be taken out of service, and the new ultraviolet disinfection equipment will be placed in this part of the building. And a new filter facility will be actually added on to the side of it, utilizing the cloth or disc filters that I mentioned last week. Better technology, higher level of treatment, and in this case, less expensive option than going in there and trying to rehabilitate the existing filters. The biosolids, this existing aeration tank that has been abandoned or will be abandoned will be converted to a aerobic digester facility, thickening and digester facility. So the biosolids that's taken out of these clarifiers will be, that is wasted, will be wasted to this facility, aerated, thickened, and then a small pump station right here will pump that to the biosolids building over here. This is an existing building where you currently have a belt press dewatering unit. That'll be replaced with a centrifuge dewatering unit, which is more state-of-the-art and will generate a higher level of solids, reduce the number of trips you have to haul to the field. Some of these will be taken out of service due to the construction. These are the drying beds, or where the dewatered sludge can be stored in the wintertime when you can't put it on the land. So we'll maintain some of that, and some of that will be upgraded. The existing anaerobic digesters are located right here. They were with the original plant built in the 1950s. Those will be deactivated and replaced again by the aerobic digestion over on this side. So pretty much that's a summary of the plant. We'll continue to utilize tanks on the basin for reuse water, and then we'll be increasing the storage of the reuse water currently stored over at the golf course. The contractor will actually, the design builder will actually expand that existing storage over there to house another 700, or for a total of 750,000 gallons of storage, which is was a goal of the original project, to gain that much storage to allow the golf course and the treatment plant to be able to work together and not be so dependent on what's being pumped at the time. They'll actually be able to fill that storage at night as they're treating wastewater, and then it'll be available to the golf course during the day. So that was one of the goals of the project.